This is a used 2008 Ford F-250, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Rapid Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1510 Hokagama Avenue South, Grand Rapids, Minnesota 55744.